the old boyard. Tom's truck parked by the rusty gate. Coffee steam in his calloused hands, checking lines, always running late. Broke that leg on a winter day. Watched the Whitecaps from the shore, casting crutches on the dockside rail, but he still showed up even more. Hey, Vice Commodore Tom, you keep this harbor strong. From the kids in blue to the old salt crew, you've been here all along. Hey, Vice Commodore Tom, you're the heart of this quiet bay. Now the wind is back and your boat's on track, Gasparilla's on its way. Laughing on the faded pier, he knows every single name. Teaching knots by the piling poles, letting them steer through the rain. Charts spread out on the clubhouse bar, highlighters and scribbled plans. Last big race of the season, now he's the captain on the land. Hey, Vice Commodore Tom, you keep this harbor strong. From the kids in blue to the old salt crew, you've been here all along. Hey, Vice Commodore Tom, you're the heart of this quiet bay. Now the wind is back and your boat's on track, Gasparilla's on its way. Hey. From a folding chair on the seawall stones, he timed every start, every line, dreaming of the bowsprit on his own home, waiting out that long low tide in his life. Hey, Vice Commodore Tom, you keep this harbor strong. From the kids in blue